I got an awesome new item for you today. This is the Quntis monitor light bar. This is the Screen Linear Pro model. This light will help with eye strain when looking at your computer. I really like how the control buttons are located on the top of the light. Many of the other competitors have the control buttons on the side. The control buttons located on the top are much more convenient and easier to access, and also they're super sensitive to the touch. Let's see what's all included. It comes with a user's manual, a USB Type-C power cord. It comes with some adapters for different size monitors. And then you have your screen clip. And the light bar itself. On top you have your power button. Then you have your auto dimming key. Most competitors don't have this feature, and they also do not have a blue light protection design. And also your color temperature button, and also your brightness level.